Guys, how he feels about, you know, the cauliflower wings.
It's gonna just be awesome.
You just saying this? You really don't want the wings?
I'm looking forward to the wings.
Are you telling the truth?
Yeah.
It's Shay Bomb, and today I'm coming at you with another video, okay? Period. But today, I don't know if y'all can hear me. Let me turn my air conditioner down just a little bit. So today, basically, I am going to be making something that we all love. And it's wings. And these wings, they're going to have a little bit of a twist. They're not going to be made with meat. I'm going to let that sit with you guys just for a little bit. These wings are going to be made with cauliflower, and it's a vegan recipe. I've never tried it before. I literally just found the recipe not too long ago, maybe like an hour or two ago. But this morning, my daddy loves meat, loves it, and I think right now he's doing like a keto diet, and I might be saying the wrong diet. I think it's keto, where like you eat like a whole bunch of meat, but you don't eat no carbs or anything like that. And I just don't think that it's a good idea, especially for him, because he has issues with his heart. So, you know, I woke up this morning, he had ate bacon and he was sweating, and I'm just like, you know, you really got to stop eating this meat because it's not good for you. So I'm gonna go to the store. I'm buying cauliflower and I'm buying flour. I already have almond milk, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper. I think I might get some sweet potato. I'm not really sure, but I'll definitely show you guys when I get back from the store. And yeah, just, you know, come along for the journey, guys. Okay, so I'm back from the grocery store and I got everything I needed. I kind of set everything up already, but I have the most important ingredient, which is cauliflower. So this is steamable cauliflower, so I don't know exactly how that's gonna work, but I'm hoping that it turns out okay. Right now, oh, you know what else? I went and got flour from the store as well. And this is white rice flour. I've actually never used it before, so, you know, just gonna try different things today, okay? That's what we're doing. So I'm going to be using 3/4 cups of flour. So I have some almond breeze almond milk right here, and I'm going to use my 1/2 measuring cup and pour the milk into the measuring cup. Okay, then I'm gonna put it into the bowl with the flour, the rice flour in it, and I'm going to take 1/2 cup of water and put it into our bowl. Now I will be putting 1 teaspoon of paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. After I mixed the batter for the cauliflower, I got a tray, and I forgot to get parchment paper when I went to the store, so I kind of just like buttered the bottom of the pan, and then I dipped the cauliflower into the batter, make sure that it was fully covered, and then I put it onto the pan. And I'm gonna put some clips in. So this is our cauliflower dipped in our batter. Your oven should be on 450. I'm going to put the cauliflower into the oven for about 25 minutes, and then in between that, I'm going to, like, half of that time, half of 25 minutes, I'll probably flip the cauliflower around and then put it back into the oven. So basically, after I take the cauliflower out after 25 minutes, I'm going to dip it into honey barbecue sauce. I am going to mix that. I'm going to show you guys what I use for the barbecue sauce, and I am just going to dip the cauliflower in, put it back into the pan, and then put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes, I'm going to take it back out, and then bam, we got our cauliflower. My dad's apron, okay? He got this apron and he don't know how to act. The Bishop's food cooked with love. Do you cook your food with love?
Reg-A-Shay.
That's not what that say.
We do it with love.
Like the cauliflower wings that you just wanna.
Thank you.
You wanna eat. How you just gonna say bye? I'm not done recording you.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what you expect from these wings?
I don't expect anything till I taste them.
Okay guys, so this is what our cauliflower wings are looking like. This is after I flip them over. This is after I put barbecue sauce on them and I put them back into the oven. And I must say, it looks super delicious. Reg here, and he just wanted one chicken. Alright. Well, one cauliflower wing.
Good. This is good. Wonderful.
Finish eating it. It's hot.
Gonna let it cool down.
So what were your first impressions, Reg? Huh?
I'm so happy that my daughter made this. I think all of you out there, you're gonna enjoy it, and it's gonna be awesome for you. It's nice and healthy, and it's a better alternative for you.
Would you rather eat chicken or this?
Chicken.
No. No more chicken, right? We're turning vegan.
Incorrect. I tried to help you out, but you want to dig. Give your mama some. She deserves.
I need an honest review for YouTube.
I just gave you one, and you're deciding to go further, and I don't think you want to go further.
Cause you don't like it?
No, I don't. I keep telling you.
So why you couldn't just say that for the camera?
I'm giving you good stuff, but you want me to give you bad stuff. So there you got it. Now go ahead on. Go on. Go on. Give me a sausage out that refrigerator.
You don't need to eat no more
What
meat.
the heck is wrong with you? Barbecue. You go out here and get cauliflower. You eat cauliflower. I'm going to get me some wheel rings with bones.
How do you feel about it? Are you telling? Would you rather eat chicken?
This tastes good to me, so I would rather have what I'm eating now, cauliflower. It's very delicious. So I can't complain. It tastes very delicious to me. Good. Good. Very delicious to me.
I thought you said you didn't like it, Reg.
I'm hungry.
Reg, what was wrong with the cauliflower?
It's not meat.
That's the point.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's delicious, nutritious.
They just had you in the last clip saying it was nasty.
I didn't say it was nasty. I think. Oh my! It's crunchy too.
Delicious.
That was the burnt piece, I think.
Why you guys say my stuff is burnt on camera?
It's different. It tastes good. It's just not filling to me.
That's the point. You're not supposed to eat till you full. That's glutton.
Who tells you this stuff?
Reg, what do you have in the microwave that you shouldn't have?
A all beef smoked sausage.
Should you be eating that?
I'm not going to eat bread, which is a carb. I'm going to be eating an all beef sausage.
Does your heart hurt?
And I'm thinking about making me a burger.
You don't need no burger. You need to stop eating all this meat. It's not
With
good for
cheese.
you. It's not good for you. I'm trying to tell you something.
Okay, I believe you.
So why won't you change? You really shouldn't be eating that though, Reg.
This is healthy. It's all beef.
You need to stop eating meat because it hurts your heart.
Don't hurt my heart.
So then what hurts your heart? Why do you sweat after you eat bacon?
You're not hugging me. You're not,
eat
you're not
bacon.
telling me how much you love me as your dad. That's what hurt my heart. I'm going to tell you what hurt my heart. What hurt my heart is you not telling me, I love you, Daddy. You're the best daddy in the world.
Okay, say bye to the subscribers, please. Y'all
Deuces.
comment in the what? Y'all comment in the comment section, and please tell my dad that he needs to stop eating stuff that's not good for his heart, because it's not good for him. Y'all, I don't think this video was a fail. I really don't.
It's not.
I just think that my dad likes meat and we have to find a good alternative. Maybe some tofu. How about tofu?
No.
Comment something in the comment section, a good substitute for meat, because he don't need to eat no more meat. But you know, I'll talk to you guys later. So